Hi, my name is Charlotte and I will be reading My Typewriter by Edward Dyson. I have a trimmed typewriter now. They tell me none is better. It makes a pleasing rhythmic row and neat is every letter. I tick out stories by machine, dig pars and gags and verses keen, and lad them off in manner slick. It is so easy, it is quick, and yet it falls short, I'm afraid, of giving satisfaction. This making literature by aid of scientific traction, for often I can't fail to see the dashed thing runs away with me. It bolts and do whatever I may. I cannot hold the runaway. It is not fitted with a break, and endless are my verses, nor any yarn I start to make appropriate terses. 'Tis plain that this machine-made screed is fit but for machines to read. So wanted, as an iron censer, a good sound second-hand condenser. Thank you. Bye.